how do you all eat when you go away? I eat good. Sausages, bacon, tomato, mushrooms, eggs, Fruit Loops and Mini Wheats, English muffins and beans, and sausage, and of course a Ninja. I've got the sausage in there with the tomatoes, put some salt on those tomatoes. In there. Bacon lined there with the mushrooms. This is not an advertisement for a Ninja or anything like that. I do like them though. Especially this one because it's got a dual thing and you can do smart finish. So the sausage gets 20 minutes with the tomato and the bacons only get 10. And you have this option for smart finish. You just hit start. It will start for the 20 minutes. As soon as it gets down to that 10, then the other side will kick in for the 10 and everything will be ready at the same time. Cool. So there we go. Okay, so the sausages are cooked. Actually took 25, not 20. Bacon took 15. First time I've done the bacon in here. It looks good, nice and crispy. Tomatoes and mushrooms are ready to go. I'm going to put the scrambled eggs in there. I added milk to it because I'm putting it in the microwave. I'm just doing it on the stove. I just do eggs, scramble them, keep turning them, everything else. But I want to get the extra air in there, make it a little bit more fluffy. And when they're cooked, we're going to put on some cheddar cheese because that's what we do here. And I got my beans, which will go in the microwave. Okay, so we'll get that set up now. And the next time you see me, it'll be all plated up, ready to go. Oh, except for I didn't show English muffins. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so now we're back, and that's the food all plated up. Your beans, eggs with the cheese, bacon, sausage, mushrooms, tomatoes, English muffin. Somewhere I have apricot fruit spread to go on there. And of course, an obligatory cup of tea. Okay, there's more to follow. So this evening I'll be cooking again, then in the morning. There's three more hotel room meals to go. And of course we do eat out as well. But it saves a lot of money, saves a lot of hassle just cooking at home. And if I didn't cook it at home, then I wouldn't be able to videotape it. So there you go. Okay. See you later. A nice time wandering around town, everything like that. Cold, snowy, but it was a lot of fun. We got invited out for lunch for tomorrow before we head back down the bay. We saved a lot of money because we had the late breakfast and now we're doing dinner. Okay, so I have yam. I'm going to throw in this side. And I'm using the bacon grease from earlier. And the reason I get away with that is it's very cold here. I dropped a piece. You just rub it on your pants, 30-second rule. I'm going to put that in there. Kept the room cold, which isn't hard because it's cold out here. I've got that in there. Then I got broccoli florets, which I'm going to go in there with the bacon grease. I'm going to cook them first. And then I have a full vegetable medley here. And we're going to add some to each. Just like that. It's the advantage of having 2 trays. And they're probably going to take about 20 minutes each. Each tray, about 20 minutes. I'm going to fry them. And I bought some olive oil. I'm going to put some in there on both of them. As I say, I've already got the bacon in there. About 5 minutes into the cooking, I'll toss them and we'll get some flavour going there. with that. I do have the Italian herbs, mixed herbs. So I'm going to put that in there. And most everything I prepped before I even came here. You know, save some time. And as I say, it's about saving time, saving money, trying to stay in my own room. Already went down to the pool and the hot tub, and there was nobody else there. Just me. Pool and the hot tub. You do some laps. I got some onions going on. And yeah, I know it seems like a lot, but I'm going to have a bunch of stuff I'm going to take back because I got my coolers and everything, because I'm going to have to go straight back to work. I have some pathways and stuff to build. When I say work, it's like, you know, sorting out my home. Because we're expecting a lot of rain, so there's going to be some flooding work I have to deal with. And then I have this all set up, and this is salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, some cumin. Yeah, so nice, lots of pepper, lots of flavor right there. So put it on there. Then we're going to put some on here as well. And we'll mix that all together. Oh, there's a piece of onion trying to hide. And then I already have a roast chicken. Okay, my dear friend Mildred bought that for me because we were coming up here, and she said, "What can I get you as you go now away for the weekend?" I said, "You get me a roast chicken from Costco." So you got roast chicken. So this will go in the air fryer as well. We'll season it. And because I don't really have any real way to make my own gravy, I have some home style gravy right here. I ran out of time. I was going to make my own gravy, ran out of time. So a jar of the gravy is actually pretty good. So we're going to set this up yet again in the air fryer. And we're just going to do smart finish. Actually, we're going to do match cook, air fry. We're going to hit it for 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, I'm going to turn them, see how they're doing. Then give them another 10 minutes. If I need to, I'll give them 4 or 5 minutes. The chicken, I will put in there as well. The chicken's not going to take long. It takes 5 minutes or so to reheat in the air fryer, and it's really good in the air fryer. Gravy will go in the microwave, and I'm going to be set for a really, really nice dinner. Breakfast is going to be interesting. This is part of breakfast. We'll see that in the morning. Okay, so now I'm going to hit start. So there it is. Dinner. You've got chicken, breast, leg, all the vegetables, some gravy. Hotel living does not have to be hard. I'm just going to put some on there. Yeah, it looks fabulous, doesn't it? And it's going to taste great. Number 2 in Virginia City. It's a local moco kind of take. But instead of using a burger patty or anything like that, chicken, we're going with languisse, the Filipino sausage. We're not frying the eggs because I can't fry them here. So we're going to poach them in the microwave. It's always fun. Got fresh pineapple right there. Gravy will go on there. Got the macaroni. Now we'll go over how to make that another time. And rice, because I like to have it cooked, ready to go, just the meat to cook. So I'm going to put that on there for about 20 minutes, put everything together, put it in the microwave, and you'll get to see the final product. Oh yes, and I got yogurt. Okay. There you have it. Macaroni, rice, gravy, eggs, the sausages, pineapple, English muffin as always, and And that is a real good hotel breakfast. You're not going to get better than that. Okay, that's it for now.